Are you in need of a mortgage? Volunteer Home Mortgage is here for you 7 days a week. Whether you're in Tennessee, Georgia, Florida, or even beyond that, Jerry and her expert team are ready to help you out. So don't wait. Call them today, 865-238-7500, or visit them online at volunteerhomemortgage.com. All right, thanks for checking in with your afternoon weather update. Sure hope you're having a great Monday. Still have our storm system off to our west and lingering showers around the area. And that's going to be the story. We've got a batch of rain a little bit further to our west, moving its way out of Middle Tennessee. And that's going to continue to track its way further to the north and northeast here over the next several hours. As it does so, it could expand in coverage a little bit, but got something to kind of keep in mind. If you live north of Interstate 40, you have a better shot for seeing some showers, some good solid downpours, some thunderstorms throughout the day. Here's our Futurecast model, picking up our timeline here at the lunch hour and progressing through the afternoon. It has a pretty good handle on it. I think as we get into the 3 o'clock hour, it may expand a little bit further to our south. That's going to start to slide its way further to the east. Back behind it to our west, a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms are still going to be possible all the way through about 7 to 10 o'clock here tonight. So spotty in nature, hit and miss, but some of you are going to pick up some decent amount of rain throughout the day today. Got the cloudier skies, not a lot of sunshine out there. Temperatures only topping out in the low mid, a few pockets of upper 80s. We're hanging on to that elevated rain chances and active wet weather pattern all the way through Thursday. Rain chances drop off as we get into the upcoming weekend, and it's all associated with these little upper level waves that are going to be swinging on through. There's another one. Here comes another one through the middle part of the week. And then by the end of the week, another one that's going to swing on through. But back behind that last one, Friday into Saturday, Sunday, well, we're going to pick up nearly an inch to an inch and a half of rainfall this week. But a ridge of high pressure starts to build its way back in. And that's going to bring us some of the hottest weather so far this summer season. And this weekend, by the way, is the first full weekend of summer. Summer officially arrives on Friday. And it's going to be toasty Saturday and Sunday with highs in the low 90s, lows in the 60s and 70s. But before we get there, we've got a lot of rain that's potentially on the way each and every day. Not a total washout, but scattered showers and thunderstorms are in the forecast. So tracking with the interactive radar using the East Tennessee Weather app. You can scan that QR code that takes you to easttnweather.com. From there, you can click on the Android or iPhone link to download the app, or just go to your app store and search East TN Weather, all one word. Have a great day. Your next weather update's coming up at 6 o'clock here tonight.